Okay. What do you think about Indonesian men? Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, Germany. It's beautiful country.
Yeah, it is.
What's your name?
Anna.
Anna. Hello, Anna. It's beautiful name.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Perfect. Now I know a word.
Thank you. Hai everyone. Jalan-jalan lagi yuk. Di video kali ini, aku mau mengajak kalian melihat suasana Pantai Uluwatu sambil mencari bule yang mau diajak ngobrol. New Kuta Beach atau yang lebih dikenal Dreamland merupakan pantai Uluwatu yang setiap harinya banyak dikunjungi wisatawan lokal maupun mancanegara. Memiliki bibir pantai yang panjang dan luas, menjadi tempat terbaik untuk duduk menikmati pantai, berjemur, berolahraga, mengajak anak-anak bermain, dan aktivitas lainnya. Info buat teman-teman yang belum pernah ke sini, untuk masuk di Pantai Dreamland tidak ada biaya tiketnya ya. Cukup membayar biaya parkir saja. Where are you from?
I'm from Byron Bay, Australia.
Oh, Australia. It's good country.
Yes, yes it is.
Yes. What is your name?
I'm Connor.
Kona, with this beautiful name.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm Alia.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you. Okay, can I ask some question for you?
Of course you can, yeah.
Okay. What do you think about Bali?
It's absolutely amazing. It's my first time actually, and I think it's incredible, especially Uluwatu. Uluwatu is my favorite.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what favorite place in Bali?
So,
Place in Bali?
sorry.
What favorite place in Bali?
I'd say right here,
Oh,
being
in Uluwatu.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I love it.
Yes.
Love it so much.
Do you
So
like
beautiful.
sunbathing?
Sorry.
Sunbathing.
Yeah.
Sunbath.
Yeah.
Why?
Why do I like it?
Yes.
The sunbaking.
Yeah, sunbathing.
What's that?
Sunbath.
Sunbath.
Yeah, sunbath.
Is that like going in the water?
No. It's your you look see? It's sunbathing. Sunbathing.
I've never heard of that.
Yes.
I've never heard of that.
Yes. Thing.
Oh, okay.
Do you know?
No, I have no idea.
It's a sun. You sleep in here and
Oh, like getting a tan.
yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite thing to do.
Oh, really?
I just came out of winter, so I got to work for my tan.
Oh, yes. Okay. How long in Bali?
So I'm here for 2 weeks for my 30th.
Oh, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Where you stay?
I'm staying in Bingen for another couple of nights. Then we're going to Canggu for my 30th to party a little bit.
Yes. Okay.
But I think we'll come back here for sure.
Yes. Okay. Do you try Indonesian food?
I haven't heaps. I only arrived 2 days ago, but I had my first mee goreng, which I
Mee
loved.
goreng?
Yeah, that was my first. That's not from Woolworths, the supermarket. So
Oh.
I loved it. But I've got to try much more. I haven't really gone out to eat too many places yet, but definitely excited.
Yes.
Yeah. Any recommendations?
You can try nasi goreng.
Yes, definitely plenty of
Yes,
those. Yeah.
nasi goreng or gado-gado.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you can try gado-gado. It's okay.
Yeah?
Yummy.
I'll try it all. The food's so good here.
Yes, you
Yeah.
can try.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about winter today?
The weather,
Yeah, weather.
absolutely beautiful. It's been pretty cold back home because we've been in winter, so this is just beautiful. I love the heat.
Yes.
So, yeah, the hotter the better.
Yes. Okay. Do you prefer snorkeling or diving?
Snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
Only because I don't know how to dive. I'd be open to learn, but
Yeah.
I've only ever snorkeled.
Yes. Do you try snorkeling in here?
No, but I'm definitely going to. I was thinking of doing that on the day I turn 30 next week.
Oh, next
Yeah.
week.
I was thinking of doing some little water sport.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm recommendation for Ahmed. It's
Yeah.
good
Yeah.
snorkeling.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yes.
No, definitely. I've
You can
heard good
try.
things.
Ahmed.
Yeah?
Yes.
No, I've heard good things about snorkeling here.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Okay. What do you think about Indonesian men? Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Yes. What do
They're
you
cuties,
think?
but I'm a giant. I'm almost 6 foot, so. But I've seen a few cuties around. There's a lot of good-looking people in Bali. I must say,
Yes.
much better looking than back home.
Okay. Okay. You can give one word for Bali.
Ooh,
What?
ooh. What's a good word for Bali?
One word.
Oh, that's me on the spot.
Example, just beautiful.
Just incredible. Like, depending what you're coming here for, half the
Yes.
Aussies will come here to party non-stop. Half
Yes.
the Aussies will come here to Uluwatu to go to the beach.
Yes.
Either way, I think it's a win. It's beautiful here.
Okay.
I don't have one word. I've just got too many compliments for the place.
Okay. Okay. Are you like a party?
Yeah, I don't mind a drink or two. I won't party as much as I usually do when I go overseas, but
Okay.
on my birthday, I'll definitely go hard.
Okay.
Or actually, I think I'm going to a day club tomorrow when my friend arrives, or the next
Yes.
day. Yeah.
What name day club?
Is it called El something? I don't know what it's called.
Where?
I forget. In Uluwatu.
Oh, Uluwatu. It's a single fin.
Definitely going there. I think I might go there tomorrow for sunset.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Gonna stay here for sunset tonight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where you like the best sunset, please?
I haven't seen the sunsets here because I've only arrived today, but in Canggu they were all right, but I think it was
Yes.
much better here.
Yes. Canggu or Uluwatu?
Uluwatu.
Uluwatu. Okay. The best Uluwatu.
Yeah, I definitely like Uluwatu better, but I still love it all.
Okay.
Still excited to go back to Canggu, but yeah, Uluwatu seems to be my vibe.
Yes. Okay, Miss. Thank you very much. I'm
course.
sorry I'm disturb your time.
No, you didn't waste any of my time. Good talking to you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, can you say hello in my video?
Can I say what, sir?
Say hello.
Hello?
With me.
Sorry?
Yes. Say hello in my video with me.
Yeah, of
Okay.
course. Hello.
You can language Indonesia?
I don't know any Indonesian. No, I don't know any other languages.
Okay. Thank you. It's terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Perfect. Now I know a word.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wait, terima kasih.
Yes.
Seperti itulah obrolan aku sama bule cantik dari Australia. Memiliki ombak yang besar, menjadi surga bagi para peselancar. Dan kalau mau berenang di sini, harus hati-hati ya.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, Germany. It's beautiful country.
Yeah, it is.
What's your name?
Anna?
Anna. Hello, Anna. It's beautiful name.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm Alia.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you. How long in Bali?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
It's so long.
Yeah, it's long. It's really nice.
Yes. Okay. What do you think about Bali?
I think it's really beautiful, but I think Uluwatu is so far the best place.
Oh yes. Okay. What favorite beach in Bali?
Favorite beach, I think Dreamland Beach.
Oh yes.
I've been here every day, so it's really nice here.
Oh yes, yes. Okay. What do you think about surfing or diving
Surfing,
or diving?
I think it's pretty nice. I had a surf lesson a few days ago, and it was pretty fun.
Yes. Are you like surfing?
Yes, it was my first time, but it was good.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Are you happy playing surfing?
Yeah, I'm really
Okay.
happy.
Okay. Do you like Indonesian food?
Yes, I like it, especially soups and rice. It's really nice.
Oh,
I like
rice,
it.
rice, French fries.
No, rice. Like,
Oh, rice.
Yeah.
Nasi goreng.
Yes.
Do you know? Okay. Okay. Do you like sunbathing?
Yes, I do it every day.
Why?
You mind just here sitting sunbathing? Or
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
sunbathing.
just turning, just chilling in the sun. And
Yes.
Just relax.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you prefer diving or snorkeling?
I think snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
Yes.
Do you try snorkeling?
Yes, one time, but not here. It was in other vacation.
Oh yeah. Do you try in here Ahmed? It's good place for snorkeling.
No, I never tried before, but it sounds good.
Oh yes, yes. Okay. Okay. What do you think about Indonesian men?
Indonesian man?
Yes.
Not really my type. 'Cause I
Yes.
have a boyfriend, so.
Okay. Okay. Where you stay in Bali?
Lady Hostel. It's
Oh.
like 10 minutes from here.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you can give one word for Bali?
One
One word.
word about it.
Example: beautiful, nice. Another
Sunny.
sunny.
Really
Okay.
sunny.
Okay. What do you think about Dreamland Beach?
I really like it, and sometimes they're really big waves, so
Yes.
it's a little hard to swim in it. But on the other side, it's really fun.
Yes.
Yeah, and you can surf here. That's the perfect spot, I think. So yeah, I come here every day for it. So
Okay. What do you like place in Bali?
for clubbing or for
Place in Ubud or Kintamani or Canggu.
yeah, okay. I think so far Uluwatu.
Uluwatu.
I've been in Canggu and Ubud.
Yes.
Canggu is also pretty fun, but I think I like Uluwatu a little bit more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you prefer beach or mountain or another?
Oh, I definitely prefer beach. I'm not a mountain girly, so
Okay.
I love playing in the sand or go swimming, surfing, and everything here on the beach. Mountain is also
yes.
nice, but I prefer beach.
Yes. All in the beach.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? What do you think about place? The best sunset in Bali.
Oh, I had the best sunset in Canggu.
Oh,
It was my
Canggu.
first
Yes.
day, and we were at the La Brisa.
La Brisa. It's okay. It's
Yes,
beautiful.
It was really beautiful, and we had dinner there, and then watched the sunset. And I think it was the best sunset I've ever seen.
Oh yes.
Yeah, probably good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. And I'm sorry I'm disturb your time.
No, it's okay. It was fun.
Yes.
Nice
Okay.
meeting you.
Enjoy. And I hope you happy in
Yes.
Bali.
I'm really happy. Thank
Okay.
you.
See you.
See you.
Okay. Can you say video?
My what?
Say hello in my video with me.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Hai.
Seperti itu tadi, obrolan aku sama bule cantik dari Jerman. Kalau teman-teman ada masukan, apa yang harus aku tanyakan kepada mereka di next video? Kalian bisa tulis di kolom komentar ya. Waktu terbaik untuk berkunjung ke sini sekitar jam 3 sampai jam 5 sore. Selain cuaca tidak terlalu panas, teman-teman bisa menikmati keindahan sunset dari Pantai Dreamland. Sampai di sini dulu ya video kali ini. Sampai jumpa di next video. Terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton. See you.